Welcome back. During the annual investment meeting Congress today, Dry Docks World and Big Invest Consult AG signed a memorandum of understanding for a hotel project valued at 50 to 120 million US dollars. Dry Docks and Maritime World have been appointed as the exclusive contractor for construction of the Water Discus Hotel, a leisure facility with a structure that is both below and above the water. Today's announcement will open new fields of development for the hotel and tourism sector, as well as preserving the marine ecosystem, adding overall commercial value to the country. The hotel will include 21 underwater rooms and an underwater diving centre.
The reality is this is a new invention, how to create cities and waters. It's quite an imaginative thought process where they use an oil and gas industry to create basically a living things in the sea and create an atmosphere whereby minimal, if not potential zero, environment risk to any of the coastlines or the seabed, and create a value for our investment long and short term. This is for the business globally anyway. It's not only for the UAE.
The Middle East and GCC region's tourism viability continues to grow, attracting investors across the globe. The Arabian travel market is one platform that bears witness to this growth. An increasing number of international brands are establishing themselves and expanding regionally as well as locally to tap into the market's potential. Starwood Hotels and Resorts, owner of the luxury St. Regis and W brands, are among these. It recently signed an agreement with the Al Habtoor Group to manage 3 hotels to be built in Dubai as part of a $1.33 billion project that includes the first St. Regis Hotel in Dubai, a W Hotel and a new Westin, all set to open in 2017. Starwood currently operates almost 50 properties across the Middle East, including 23 in the UAE. This year they aim to attract more guests into the capital.
The customers coming to the UAE are looking for a luxury experience. The St. Regis is renowned for its butler service. Every guest staying in the hotel will have a butler dedicated to them, taking care of all of their needs. And we think that the GCC customers coming in from Europe and Asia and Americas, obviously there is a demand for that super luxury product, which we will have. And we have a beautiful hotel opening, which will have the finest level of service in this part of the world.
Hotel senior officials say the opening of St. Regis at Corniche, Abu Dhabi in September will mark their 3rd opening in under a year. St. Regis Saadiyat Island opened in December last year, followed by Doha in March this year.
St. Regis will be the crown jewel of Nation Towers, occupying the top 19 floors, and also all of the ground facilities, the public facilities will be on the ground to the 4th floor. So we have an incredible array of food and beverage offerings. With Gary Rose will operate one of our main restaurants. We will have a Tuscan Villa restaurant. We have a great sized ballroom to do a lot of local weddings, a lot of local events. We have a fantastic beach club as well, which will offer another 2 restaurants, 500 square metre stretch of beach. We will really have something for everybody in the Abu Dhabi market. Customers coming to Abu Dhabi will really be able to experience St. Regis at its best.
Cargo volumes at Dubai World Central have surged 382% in the first 3 months of 2012 to just over 50,000 tonnes, according to the quarterly traffic report issued by Dubai Airports today. Air traffic movements at the airport also increased, rising 313.3% in the first 3 months of 2012. The growth was driven by an additional charter as well as scheduled services introduced over the past year, securing several large non-commercial contracts. Emirates Islamic Bank has announced its highest operating profits in 2 years, with a 56% growth in Q1 over the same period last year. Net income rose to 228 million dirhams, a 21% increase from the same period in 2011. And Emirates Money, a subsidiary of the Emirates NBD Group, crossed the 1.1 billion dirham mark in assets for the 2011 financial year, recording a 31% growth as compared to 2010. With that, let's take a look at the stock indices across the GCC.